The Unity State Catholic Church 100-year celebration in South Sudan marks a significant milestone in the history of Christianity and Catholic evangelization in the region. This centenary is a time for reflection, thanksgiving, and celebration of the faith journey of the local communities, particularly their resilience and growth through decades of political, social, and humanitarian challenges. Here are some key elements that might be highlighted during the celebration. 1. Historical background. Catholic mission work began in Unity State around 1924 to 1925. Missionaries, likely from the Comboni missionaries or other European congregations, played a key role in introducing Christianity and establishing schools and health centers. 2. Spiritual significance. A century of spreading the gospel, celebrating sacraments, and nurturing faith in local languages and culture. Local vocations to priesthood and religious life have increased over the decades. 3. Cultural celebrations. Traditional dances, choirs, and dramas celebrating the fusion of Christian faith with newer and Dinka cultural identity. Community gatherings, pilgrimages, and special masses with bishops and clergy from across South Sudan. 4. Challenges and resilience. The church has remained a symbol of hope through war, displacement, and hardship. Its role in peacebuilding, education, and humanitarian aid is widely recognized. 5. Future outlook. Continued investment in faith formation, youth programs, and local leadership. Focus on reconciliation, development, and sustainable peace through faith-based initiatives.